Hi and welcome to ISBI. Today I show you how I made a wooden pirate sword as a birthday gift for our neighbor's son. First I cut the coating away of a scrap piece of coated plywood. This piece will be the blade. Then I use a string and a pencil as a compass to draw the curve of the blade. I cut out the shape of the blade at the table saw and the bandsaw. Here I shape the edge of the blade, but of course not really sharp, because it will be a toy sword. Then I draw and cut the guard out of plywood. And I also draw and cut the knuckle bow. Then I glue the knuckle bow to the guard. Here I shape the handle on the disc sander. Because I want the handle to have some additional details, in this case a spherical end, I sand the handle until it fits the sphere. Here I draw a spiral around the handle. Then I use the Dremel to grind the curve in this shape. It adds another nice detail to the sword. Here I glue some tiny pieces of plywood to the guard, just to have more wood for shaping. I sand the outer shape at the disc sander, and after that I use again the Dremel to shape the rest of the guard. At the handle end of the sword where the sphere will be, I want some more details. Here I sand the sphere to fit to a small piece of a dowel. Then I drill holes for dowels in all parts. The dowels will be used to glue all parts together. I glue the parts in steps together. First the handle to the spherical piece, then adding the guard and last the blade. And here I glue the small end piece to the sword. For more stability, I glue the knuckle bow to the handle with 5-minute epoxy. I realized that I have forgotten to add a little detail to the guard before, so I have to do this now. It looks better with this detail, isn't it? Because I want the sword to look used, I add some scratches and curves to it. I wrap the blade with tape and give it 2 coats of primer. After the primer has dried, I add 2 coats of black paint. Then I wrap the handle with tape and paint the rest in bronze. As mentioned earlier, I want the sword to look used, so I add some weathering to it. For the blade I try something what I have seen that Adam Savage does to his props. I cover the blade in aluminum tape. It was more difficult than I thought it will be. It came out not perfect, but hey, it's a toy sword. Then I use steel wool to take off the shininess of the sword. Yeah, right, for the used look. Then I paint the blade with black spray paint, let it dry and wipe off most of the paint. That gives it a really nice look. And now I show you some footage of the finished sword. thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe, give it a thumb up, share and stay tuned for future projects. See ya!